Okay guys, it seems to me that no one's theorizing right now what happened to Lightning McQueen in the crash and how it comes to be. So here's why no one's good thing nobody's theorizing it, because there's a leak video right now showing Lightning McQueen being the old character he himself was. What I mean by that, in the leak video it shows that Lightning McQueen has being overpassed by an black car, to be exact black Lamborghini, whose name is Johnny Storm, meaning Johnny Storm, because he's a lightning, so the enemy should be a storm. But just to be correct, Johnny Storm is not a douchebag, someone who is bad attitude and a boastful pride. So not, no, he's like Dinoco, the one with the blue car who crashed too. He was a nice character, not a bad guy in this story. So right now there's no bad guys, and back to the story. So he is overpassed by this newbie, and he panics in the pit room, saying to his guys, "Faster, faster, faster," and goes back to the race, not knowing that the pit crew said, "Wait," and just go back to the race, not waiting for the pit crew to fully lock the screw and bolts on his tires. That's why he flew like Dinoco and Hudson Hornet. Yeah, he was panicking because of being overpassed by a newbie. That's why he flew away in the race, crashing and maybe ending his career, but not to be sure, because this is a Disney movie. It still need to be a light-hearted story right now, so you can speculate that Lightning McQueen will retire and hate people. No, it will be just for a few minutes in the story, and then he's back to his old self, being positive and all. So him becoming in him being rebuilt by company who I don't know, will maybe say to him that he needs to train the newbie of Prestige, because he's going to need to retire in the Piston Cup because he lost. Or in another note, he will have a partner in Prestige, because it's Disney. They want to partner up with everything, yeah, like Buzz Lightyear and Woody in Toy Story. So yeah, there's two theory of him retiring also. There's a partner also. It could be he's going to just train him. Yeah, that's all the theory for now that's leaking out, and that's why Cars 3 is becoming more controversial right now, because of the dark theme. And also critics saying it's too dark for kids right now. But to be honest, Toy Story 3, in comparison to being destroyed toys, Toy Story 3 in general is just one of the example of being too dark. Toys being left out and left to be donated to other charities is also dark. So yeah, people won't differentiate from that. So this will be I can't show you what was on the video because it was banned the other day. So yeah, basically Lightning McQueen was panicking, lost his school, and didn't know that his stars were loose and fly away fly away. I mean, he crashed those because he was not cool headed in the race. But to be honest, the black car is fast. I saw the video and he was freaking fast. He just passed him over like he was not the Piston Cup champion. So yeah, that's the overall review of why Lightning McQueen, and the video shows that Lightning McQueen was panicking in the race.